the last of the index number in this chapter is the index number of the industrial production. The index number of the industrial production talks about the production of the industries in the subsequent years. Thus, to calculate or to make an index number of the industrial production, we have to first of all do the classification of the industries. What kind of industries they are? That is the mining industry, the heavy iron and steel industry, the cottage industry, the electrical industry. So, the classification is to be done of the various industries for formulating the index number for the industrial production. Then we have to collect the data of these various industries, that is the monthly, yearly, quarterly or weekly report if at all produced. So, whatever the information is, the data has to be collected in order to make the index number for the industrial production. Then we have to give weightage to various products, that is based both on the quantity or the price which is there, how much it is consumed and what is the price level of that commodity. So, these are the basis of making the index number for the industrial production. Now, the formula which has to be applied for making the index number for the industrial production is sigma pi upon QO, that is the quantity of the base year, weight upon sigma weight into 100. So, this is how the calculation is done of the index number of the industrial production. While we are talking of all this, that is the calculation of various index number, whether it is the general, whether it is the family or whether it is the industrial or of the workers, we have to keep in mind that the word inflation when it comes, inflation does not ensure, that is the fall in inflation does not ensure fall in prices. If we say that from the previous week the inflation has come down from say 9.8 to 7.8, it does not necessarily means fall in the prices of the commodities. As the week goes on or as the time passes, the purchasing power, the income of the individual, this demand and supply are various factors which keep on affecting the inflation and the purchasing power of the consumer. So, remember, one thing is for pretty sure, that fall in inflation will never ensure the fall in prices. It is a miscalculation which is done by a layman, that as the inflation has come down, it is going to have a fall in the prices of the commodities. It generally does not happen. Another thing that you must keep in mind is the Sensex. The Sensex which is there indicates various other factors of money, and thus this was all about your chapter. Thank you.